Hi, welcome back to Easy Toddler Hairstyles. Today we are doing a front headband style. It is a connected braid. We're going to be utilizing ponytails and a 3-strand braid to give you this cute headband look. Are you ready to get started? Let's get started. I've used some water to spray down Nova's hair, and now I'm just combing it out. You want it free of tangles, and I'm going to make a part at the back of her ear from one ear to the other. So this front section is what we're going to be working with since this is a headband style, and then the back I'm just going to secure out of the way. From here I'm going to start making ponytails in the front. You want them to be like 1.5 to 2 inches wide. And then I'm coming up on the other side of her head because I want to direct the ponytails in the direction that I am doing the braid, which is going to be right to left. If you're looking at it, it's my left, but you're right to left. The ponytails are just going to lay a lot more nicely. You'll also notice that I'm doing each ponytail in the middle of the section, so it's not at the back of the crown, it's not towards the front, it's right in the middle. So you want to plan accordingly for 6 ponytails. So my third ponytail is going to come right down the middle of her forehead on the one side and kind of above her eyebrow on the other side. So we are halfway done with our ponytails. I'm going to continue combing them out. I've edited it out, but I do use spray gel on each ponytail just a little bit and comb it through because the style will hold better. So again, I'm coming from behind and directing the ponytail in the direction that I want it to go. So we just have one left. And now you should have 6 ponytails, and we're going to start the braid. So all you have to know how to do is a 3-strand braid. We're going to start, and I'm going to simply do a 3-strand braid until I get to the second ponytail. When I get to the second ponytail, I'm going to add the first to the second, and add an elastic. The braid is going to get bigger as you're adding the hair each time to the next elastic after you do a 3-strand braid. Each time I add to an elastic, I am going to add spray gel and water and then comb it through so that the braid is neat looking. Once I've got the braid from the second to the third ponytail, I'm just going to add them together. And you can see that it's getting thicker as we go from right to left. So third ponytail to the fourth. Now I love this hairstyle because I get a lot of messages here, Instagram, Facebook, people that don't know how to Dutch braid or add hair in, and this is a great alternative. It holds really nicely. This holds up well as a second day style, but you don't have to know how to Dutch or French braid, because you're just adding ponytail to ponytail, but it gives the illusion that you do have a Dutch braid coming across the top. It's also a great swim style if you want to pull it all back into a ponytail, or a great active style. So here's my last one. I'm going from ponytail 5 to 6 and then adding it. And then this last part is optional, but I'm just going to do a 3-strand braid down the rest of the hair, but you can just leave it at that 6th ponytail if you want to. Once I'm down to the bottom of the hair where I can't braid it anymore, I'm going to add an elastic. My final step is to pancake out the braid. That just means to tug lightly on either side of the braid the whole way down. It just makes the braid look fuller, makes the hair look thicker, and it gives that illusion. You can do this on any braid style. It looks so cute. So I'm just going to take the elastic out of the ponytail in the back, and here we have our cute connected braid headband style. Alright, we hope you liked the finished look today, and we will see you next week on another video. Don't forget, before you leave this video, to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and please leave us a comment if you liked it. Bye!